Good morning, everybody. Hope you all have a great week. Market is in the deep buy situation. Goes down, it goes up again, and its trend is up. So let's see what's going on. Right now, pre-market 5 is up, 15:30 1 hour, no clear direction yet. If they get a golden cross, we can go up again. And 4 hour is very bullish upward until we don't get a dark blue bar or a dead cross on the MACD. Direction is up, and every dip is a buying opportunity. In general, daily MACD got a golden cross, and you got a yellow bar on Friday, and the bars are decreasing on SPY and the ES, and is rising up until a stochastic fast is not dead cross on the daily. It is chance to be go higher and higher. Weekly stochastic fast is golden cross upward, so direction is up. Let's see how far we can go up. But just keep in mind, we are right now in a news situation. So anytime a new bad news comes in, we can have a dip and then go up again. So it's not like solid run up. Let me show you something here. If this opens, yeah. So when we were going down like this, and the same thing when we go up, it could be like this. It can come down, it can go up again. But we have CPI, PPI. We don't know what's gonna happen. But direction is up, but just keep in mind it could be like this. So direction in general is up, but it could be sometimes dips and then rise up again. Same like happened yesterday. So NQ almost the same thing. 5 not clear. 15:30 1 hour is already downward, but if they get a golden cross, run up again. 4 hour is very bullish, and daily same thing, and weekly we got a stochastic golden cross. TNX surprisingly today is 2% lower. TLT was running up yesterday, and today actually is interesting why TLT is not up. So let's see. TNX is 2% lower, and that's really interesting. So if it goes below 46.52, next target is 45.74. We got the first dark blue bar on the daily, and keep an eye on this one. If it goes below 46.52, next target is 54.74, and it can cause market to rip up. Lower rates, it's very bullish for market. DXY pre-market 4 is downward, daily is downward. Need to go below 105 492 to get very interesting. And keep in mind, yesterday market was choppy at the open, but after 130 you see how DXY start falling. When it starts falling, markets start ripping up. So keep an eye on the DXY direction. Anytime you see a jump up or dive down, market moves it at big time. Wicks daily MACD is curved down, so most likely it's possible to get a dead cross this week, and 4 hours still downward. It's all about 1726. If it goes below 1726, next target is 1639 1586. Whenever in market you see VIX jumping fast or diving fast, market can move. That's a guide for the market where it's going. And when you see it staying in a range, it can be choppy or just a slow motion. SPX went above 43.26 target yesterday. Let me change this one. So next target, if we jump up higher today and pass yesterday high, which is 43.41, 42. If we pass that one, then next target is 43.50 mental level, 43.62. If market gets very crazy this week, we're looking at 43.92, 44.22.19. BTC. We got dark blue bar on daily. It's just up and down in the range. Nothing exciting to me for now. Once it passes 30K, then it gets interesting. Apple on the rise right now. Daily is very bullish after the golden cross. 179.51. That's the next target to watch. If it passes that one, a strong pre-market high was 179.35. We passed 171.51. We're looking at 181.13, 183.2. For now, two key levels to watch: 177.23 and 178.37. Passes either one, make a bigger move. We got dark blue bar on the 4 hours, so be cautious on there. We need to get a 15 and 30 MACD golden cross for run up. Amazon has Prime Day today and tomorrow, so that's a key thing to watch. 1 hour is dead crossing pre-market, 4 hours very bullish. Daily we got two yellow bar. MACD is not golden cross, but it's curved up. So if we pass 128.72, we're looking at 129.6, 131, 132.46. If it goes below 126, retest of the lows. But just keep in mind, every dips is getting bought, so it's possible to go down and then jump up again. Nvidia is showing a lot of weaknesses last 2 days. It went went down, and then end of midday 1:30 it started jumping very big. And two key levels to watch for opening is 451, 454. Passes either one can go fast, retest of the lower level 447 or 456. Direction on the 4 hour, we got a dead cross on the 4 hour and daily, and the 1 hour and 4 hour, and we got dark blue bars, so there might be some cool down, might be some slowdown, but the daily I like that we got light blue bar. So once we pass 456.96, next target is, let me fix this one. Next target is 461.9. If you go above 461 this week, 466.35 is the next major level. Baba and Bidu, they just hanging out there, just going up and down every day. General trend is up there, so we need to get over yesterday high. 86.90, that's the key level to watch. If it passes that one, we're looking at 86.89, 87.59. Bidu had a nice run up 2 days ago on Friday, but yesterday gap down and then went up again, so it's all about 135.15 and 135.15. if it can passes, we're looking at 137.27 is next. Netflix was nice jumping up at open yesterday, it pulled back, then it went higher again, so it's most likely starting its pre-earning run up. Earning is on 10/18, so daily MACD is already golden cross, so every dip is a buy opportunity there for now. Direction on the 5 to 1 hour is downward pre-market 384 if you can't hold it. If market wants to decide to go lower today, let me fix this one. We're looking at 380, 377, 96 next support. But if it passes 388.64 at any time this week, the next run up is to 392, 398, 400 or 400. It is possible to come before earning. Meta is on the run, and even though yesterday it jumped up at the open, it pulled back, but it still went up. So this one all-time high I think is 326, 325. So once it passes 320, 320.4, next target is 324.36 and then higher level. Direction on the 4 hour daily is very bullish. Daily is super bullish actually, and the weekly stochastic fast is curved up very bullishly. So again, if it goes below 317, it can go retest lower level 315, 312, 391, 312.91. Direction pre-market 515 is upward. 30 we got the light blue bar, so it's all about 320.4. Tesla, is a lot of news coming in about it. They got coverage, they got some upgrades, some downgrades. So right now is between 257 and 258, just up and down. So once it passes 260.41 or 256.54, then it can make a bigger move. Above 260, it can run to 262, 264, 266, 67. If it goes below 256, it's a deep buy opportunity. Next supports are 254 and 250, 255. All right, so Microsoft 331.41 major reach today pre-market. So if it passes that one, we're looking at 333, 336 and 338. Pre-market direction 1 hour we got a light dark blue bar and it's dead cross already, but 4 hour is still bullish and daily is very bullish too. So if we get a dip down again, next support is 330, 320, 329. But in general, this one, if it passes 331.41 and 331.6 pre-market high, that it can jump up even higher. It's not too far from all-time high, so keep an eye on that one before before earning. Google 339.36, that's the next major level to watch. Passes that one, we run to 140, 142, 144, 72 pre-market. 5 is up, 15 we got yellow bar, need to get a 1530 MACD golden cross for run up. I like that the daily got a blue bar, and so it does have the chance for running up. It's all about CPI, PPI this week, and also FOMC minute, no Powell. AMD 108.18, that's a key level to watch. That one, if it breaks this week, we're running up to 109, 110 and 112. Weekly, finally we get a yellow bar, that's a very bullish sign. Daily is very bullish, and right now there's mixed signal pre-market. So 105, 108, those are the two key levels to watch. Passes each one, it's going to make a bigger move. Boeing is coming alive almost, but it's still very bearish on weekly. Daily is about to get a golden cross, and RSI is an oversold zone. So once it gets out of it, passes 190.7, it can get interesting. Earning is on 1023 week, so might have a pre-earning run up. But what's interesting is yesterday, Boeing is a defense company too. They do a lot of military contracts, so but it wasn't affecting it too much yesterday, so keep an eye on that one too. SPY SPY to 430, 254 major target reach today, and above that, if you run up, we're looking at 433, 434.96, and 436.45. That's the next major level. Most likely is possible to come before CPI PPI. We need to get a 15 30 minutes back the golden cross to run up there. QQQ 367.54. It reached pre-market. It almost reached yesterday, and right now pre-market touched it, so it's all about passing that or not. If it does pass that one, then we're looking to get back to 370, 368, 369, 370, 86. If it does go below 365, then it can possibly retest the lower level of it. Doubt it goes to today 359, but 365, if it can't hold it, 362 retest can come. Looking very bullish on the 4-hour and daily. I need to get a 1530 MACD golden cross for run up. What else you got? IWM daily is curved up, so if you pass 174.54, we're looking at 176.39, 178.25. AVGO, next target there is 862, 873. SMCI, this passes 293, 293.93 passes. We're looking at 296.85 and 306. TLT, I'm actually surprised why this is not jumping. TNX 2% lower, but this is not up, so that's a surprise to me. I'm not sure why. JP Morgan, they have earning coming up, so 145.85. That's a key level to watch for pre-earning run up. Earning is on 1013, so 145.85 if it passes. 148, 151, 153, 53 may come. LRCX still hanging out. I mean, it's just not going up. Everything else is jumping up, but this is just staying in a tight range. Once it breaks this tight range, like we're looking at 631, 635. If it passes that one, then it can go for a run up. LLY was a nice run up yesterday, so next target there is 580.21. If it does pass that one, we're looking at 587 and back to 600. Snow 163 passes that one. We're looking at 164.57, 169.39 next major level. Adobe next major level is 534. Above that can go 543. Caterpillar coming back to live. Weekly is dead cross, but daily we got 2 yellow bars, so be cautious on this one. It can go up then fall again. So 273.91, that's the next major level. If it passes that one, can run up higher, but be cautious because the weekly is dead cross. What else you got here? Coin need to pass 81.13 to run up higher level. CRWD, this one just non-stop going up. It's very, very bullish on the 4-hour daily and weekly. So 182.25, that's a pre-market high. Passes that one, that's a yesterday high. So if it passes that one, we're looking at 191.200 may come there. What else? That's pretty much it. If there's any symbol you're interested, let me know. Let me see. Okay. CVX was running up yesterday too, but it's hanging out there. XOM, same thing. Big gap up. All the oil stock were gapping up big. NOC 582.39. That's the next key level. If it passes that one, we're looking at 493, 503.81. It's very golden cross on the daily and weekly is very, very looking bullish. 500 may come there this week. LMT, same thing. It's very, very bullish. Weekly we got a yellow bar. Daily is very bullish. So LMT we're looking at 457.5. That's the next target. Passes that one, 466, 474, 481. These can run up next few days. Continue running up. That's pretty much it on the major names. Gold start crawling up, so 174.01, that's the next major level. If it passes that one, can get really interesting. That's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. 15 actually is golden crossing on SPY. Let's see. So yeah, 15 is golden crossing right now, so that's a very bullish sign. So if market opens and past 433, we are running up to 434, 436, 45. All right, have a beautiful day and thanks for tuning in.